Welcome to the Line Maintenance Wizard. This unique hands-free tool makes it quick and easy to relieve line memory and straighten and clean your line, reducing tangles and improves casting and presentation. Made from flexible material to fit most rod rings up to 50mm diameter. Using the Line Wizard, hold it above the rod ring, pull the line tight to the reel and insert the line into the slit and locate in the rod ring. The line is ready to wind on the reel now. Adjust line tension by easing or increasing contact in the ring, or varying the amount of line contact in the slit by moving a line further in or out, or use a different ring size. Applying line dressings, place the food drops directly in the slit, or use a thin wetted cloth and insert with the line. Thanks for watching. Line Maintenance Wizard, removing line memory twisting coils. Insert the Line Wizard, line into the wizard, into the rod ring, hit that in. Stick the line again. And that line looks much better, and that's one run through the Line Maintenance Wizard. Thanks for watching.